Welcome back to my channel. This is MissSharz for those of you who are stopping by for the first time, and if you've been around, you know that you are most definitely welcome. On today's clip, I'd love to share with you a quick way on how to lay your lace wig without any gel, without any glue, you know, just like that. Yeah, because I feel like sometimes you just don't really want to go to bed with your hair, you know, with your wigs, and the easiest way, you know, like if you want to wear the same wig the next day, then it's probably better to not use a glue or gel on it. That way you just remove it and put it on your whatever and get ready to wear it tomorrow, you know. Yeah, so without talking too much, let's get into this video. So I'm going to start off with one of our units, which is available on the website. This is Coco Body Wave, but this one comes in a fake scalp, so I won't need my wig cap today. Yeah, it also has a headband, you know, like a band to adjust. Yeah, I'm going to clip that up, and now it's time to cut off the lace. You have to be very careful with this part because you might end up messing up the whole wig if you cut the lace wrongly. Yeah, so there is that extra part that's also supposed to be cut off. You want to be very careful when cutting this. Once the lace is cut off, it's time to, you know, tint the lace. So I usually use powder. You can also use a foundation. Yeah, and there we are, done and ready. Next thing, we're going to get some baby hairs on this wig. Yeah, and I learned that it's not really so nice to have too much baby hairs, so I tried my best on this wig to not get too much baby hairs, but you'll see at the end I still went overboard with the baby hairs. But yeah, it was worth trying. Once I'm done with the baby hairs, it's time to get that parting. So I wanted to have a mid part, and this wig goes all the way. It's a 13 by 6 inch lace, so it's definitely going to give you a very deep cut. Next, it's time to get the mousse, and this is a styling mousse from Loreal. And it's really great. I bought it at my local drugstore, but I think it's also available on Amazon. You can also use any other styling mousse that's working for you. Yeah. So this is what you do with the styling mousse. You want to really have a lot of it there, you know, to help with the molding of the baby hairs. Now this is what I was talking about. This is where I went overboard. I tried to get just very little baby hairs, but I ended up having too much, like way too much. Like every other thing, you know, like the eyebrows, I feel like when it comes to laying down the lace wig, there is always that good side and the bad side. So I have a feeling that on this other side, I really had to struggle, you know, to get those baby hairs molded. Yeah, so it was definitely a struggle, but worth trying. Once I have the baby hairs, it's time to, you know, like tie them up so that they may rest a little bit and get molded. Now I'm just preparing this hair for the wax stick. I got myself a wax stick from Amazon. This one is from Tigi Bed Head, it's called. Yeah, so I love this wax stick because it really tames the flyaway hairs. You know how annoying they can be. So with this one, you have them in place. Once we have that, I am going to go ahead and just press down the hairs, you know, because I don't want them to look too raised. Yeah, because I think I had like very chunky braids underneath. Next thing, I am going to try and curl this hair. Yeah, because I needed those curls to pop out, you know, the waves, not the curls, but the waves. And like a pancake, my first curl is always terrible, and this wasn't an exception. Now I'm going to pin up this hair. Yeah, because I just learned that after curling your hair, it's always nice to pin it up so that the curls can stay, you know, so that they can hold well. So by the time you're done, pinned up everything, you know, you can take some time and then pin them down. And that's exactly what I was doing with each of these gorgeous curls. Once I was done, I waited about 15 minutes, I think, to pin down the hair. So I started pinning them down one by one. And that's the results. See how nicely curled that is. Yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and pin them down one by one until I'm done. So from here you can definitely see that we are now starting to get that body wave feeling. Yeah, I feel like on my bad side I didn't get that side so perfectly, you know, like this other good side. So it's time to get off the headband, and that's what we've got. As I told you, I went way overboard with the baby hairs. I should have definitely put a little bit less. Yeah, so now I'm just combing that out. The styling mousse doesn't make your hair hard, so that's really a great thing. And this, then this, yes. This one is something I tried to correct using powder, but I feel like it just made it even worse. I don't know what went wrong there, but that place was just pale. And yeah, So now it's time to apply some hair oil, you know, to just give the hair some shine. And yeah. And that's the finished look, guys. That is the finished look. The hair is not as thick. This one is only 150% density, but I still feel like it's something. It's something really. Yeah, but that's the look. So guys, we have come to the end of this clip, and yeah, this is what I meant with the, you know, quick fix. And once again, I used Loreal cream mousse, it's called. Yeah, so it's really great. It has a perfect hold, and it's also molding the hair, the baby hairs, such that later tonight, once I'm done with everything, I'll just remove it like so, put it on my hair head, and in the morning I'll just put it back on like this. Yeah, so this has been saving me so much time lately, because I don't need to spend so much time you know, applying the got2b or the yeah, you know what I mean, the glue and all that. It takes just so much time sometimes. But this is really a great option. Give it a try and let me know what you think about it. We still have to work on the baby hair game, but we are getting there. And yeah, so today was the first time I was trying out this wig with a fake scalp, because I just wanted to see how it looks, if it's something for me. I don't know if it's something for me, because I feel like the fake scalp is still visible over here, and this is something I definitely wouldn't have had if I didn't have it, because if I had my own wig cap, I could have just colored it using my foundation. With a fake scalp, you're not really able to get through there with the foundation or with the powder, so I don't know if I would advise it. But if you love it, let me know in the comment box below. Every other product can be found in our website at www.MissSharz.com. And yeah, we are really expanding. I'm trying to really provide products, like hair products, for everybody. Yeah, so we just got the clip-ins and the ponytails, you know, because not everybody is into wigs. But yeah, I just wanted to like make it such that everybody gets real hair, whether it's just for ponytail or clip-ins, then it's, you know, just real hair, right? So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by today. It was amazing trying this out, because I've been doing it, but I haven't really tried it on camera, and on camera it was definitely a struggle, but I'm glad I made it. Yeah, guys, let me know what you think about this clip, and catch you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.